My name is Edwin Cottrell. I'm 103 years old, and I owe my life to the Pratt Whitney engine. December 17th was actually the second day of the Battle of the Bulge. We pulled out of our bomb run, started to climb, and I noticed an Me-109 shooting at my squadron commander. The 109 turned and took shots at me, and all of a sudden I heard this pop, and there was black oil all over the windshield, steaming black oil. The engine started to malfunction, and it was altitude went down, and I was able to keep it just above stalling speed, and I was flying at about 130 mile an hour. 125 is stalling. And all of a sudden, two Me-109s came past me, and one went to the right and circled, the other went to the left and circled, and they flew behind me. And I was waiting for them to shoot, to fire their bullets. Next thing I knew, they were flying right next to me and throttled back and took me to the bomb line, where they went like this and peeled off and left me. I saw the runway, and about 100 yards, the engine froze, stopped. And I was able to just get into the end of the runway. I landed, I got out and kissed the ground, and I thanked that Pratt Whitney engine. It flew all that way. My crew chief told me the next day that I lost 8 out of 18 cylinders, and that engine still flew. That's how good that Pratt Whitney engine is. And I owe my life to it. The R-2800. When you sit in that seat and you push the throttle and that engine starts to rev up, it's got a sound. It's like music. You know, it just rhythmic, you know. Every pilot that flew the 47 was thankful he was flying that plane. That engine saved hundreds and hundreds of lives.
I'm taking it all in.
I've had a very long life. I've done everything I want to do. I have 3 keys to a long life. Drink lots of water and marry a good woman. And if you're going to fly an airplane, fly one that has a Pratt & Whitney engine, and everything will be fine. Just keep doing what you're doing. Any company that can survive 100 years is doing something right. So just keep doing what you're doing, and you'll get 200 years.